Greetings. Today is October 19th, 2021. We're here in lovely Saco, Maine. I'll show you the backyard. As you can see, the foliage is coming out. This experiment is the safety of microwaves, microwave ovens basically. Anyway, so what I did is I ran an extension cord all the way from the shed into my microwave, and I believe this is 900 watts or something thereof. So I took the my 100-foot tape and I stretched it out. As you can see, there's 8 feet, 10 feet, 12, 15, 20, and 25. Now, what I'm going to do is I have my EMF meter analyzer. It's called the HB, let me see if I can get into focus, HF 38B HF analyzer. Measures microwaves basically. It's put out by a company, it's distributed by a company called Safe Living, located in Canada. And I must sell you. Well, in a way I am selling you. I'm telling you that this device has saved my life. Anyway, so let's carry on the experiment. All right, I have 2 cups of cold water pulled from the tap. Now, to show you my device, right here, this first setting is 19.99, let's round it off, microwatts per meter square. And then the second setting is 10 times that. So it's my understanding that you multiply whatever on that first setting, we'll say, whatever number appears here, you multiply it times that, and it gives you the watts per meter square. Now, on the left, near the base of my thumb, you see, I believe that's megawatts. Well, anyway, without getting into the science and getting too deep in it, I'm still learning from this device. It's produced by a company from Germany. God bless the Germans and their ingenuity. Not to dismiss any other culture, but this thing is nothing short of fantastic. Okay, I'm going to set the power level on, well, I'll do it on 1 minute. Oh, first of all, my bad. I turned it on. You hear that sound? That's the sound of my cell phone connecting with the cell phone tower. I am going to put it on airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Now, all right, that's microwaves, that's in the air. All right, set the power setting. All right, now see that little screen that's on the inside? They say it's supposed to block all the microwaves. Let's illustrate how it works. Okay, oh, don't want to use that finger. Come on, here we go. Where you see 1, that means it's off the scale. Past the 8-foot mark, 10-foot mark, 12-foot mark, 15 feet. I just passed 20 feet and 25. Those are the microwaves that it's used to heat up your water, cook your food. And as you can see, I'm at 25 feet. And the microwaves are still off the scale. Let's go 10 times that. When it reaches 200, then it goes to 1. There we go. It just turned off. And watch the numbers go back. Now, I would highly recommend, I'm going to turn that off because I would highly recommend not standing next to your microwave because these devices, it's been proven that it damages DNA. It affects your immune system, and there's a slew of other issues. Yeah, so whatever's cooking your food is cooking you also. What I do when I turn on my microwave, I literally run to the next room. And as you can see, let's back up a little bit more. It was still picking up the signal fairly strong at 25 feet. I imagine I could have gone to 30 feet and it would have still been high enough to where it was damaging. So anyone that says microwaves are safe, they're lying to you. They're lying to you. Okay? Anyway, God bless. Have a great day. Take care.